Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we have a pretty nice one right here. We have the Koenigsegg Jesko made by CM Model this time. The previous time we've done a review of the Jesko was the Jesko Attack, which was made by Tarmac Works. And this time here we have the one and only colorful miniature model, which is CM Model. And as you can see right here, it is just in its color, basically its signature color, which is white, which looks nice right here. Love to see the color in white as its debut color right here. So at the bottom right here, hold on, it says Jesko right there with the Swedish flag, which looks absolutely nice. You do have the CM Model logo right there. There is the car right there in its acrylic case. Top of the box we have 1/64 scale CM Model. And the front right here, sadly the view is covered by the spare wheels that these cars normally come with when it comes to CM Model. Here's the back of the acrylic case. Here it is. Let's move on to the back of the sleeve. We can see just a big Jesko right there with the flag, and then colorful miniature model, www.cmmodel.cm. Yeah. Moving towards the bottom of the the sleeve, you have your warnings, 14 and up. You do have your social accounts, colorful miniature models, CM Model, made in China, QR code right there, Jesko, CM Model. There is the barcode if you need it, J01. So let's go ahead and open this up. So yeah, it is the Jesko or Jesko. Some people call it Jesko, some people call it Jesko. I don't really know what is the actual term or name of the car, but here we have it right here in my hands in this nice simplistic black plastic base right here. Here is the CM Model Koenigsegg Jesko, which looks absolutely nice overall. Love the color and all. Just says Jesko on the base, no serial number or anything. Let's take a closer look at what else we got. Basically we got our spare wheel sets right here, spare set of wheels. Now if you look at the ones that are on the car already, you can see that of course they do come with disc brakes, and also they are 5 spokes with a hint of sort of liquid silver sort of color right there on the rims. I don't know if you can see it. Whereas the ones that are an addition, where you can basically swap it out. Let's see, what do they give us? They give us these rims, which are also 5-spoke rims, and they are hinted with more matte silver, and these do roll. So if you are wondering, yes, these do roll, as some cars they do give out the spare wheels, but then the spare wheels do not roll. That means it is mainly for the stanced look, whereas this one is not really for stanced look. I mean, it would be funny if it were to be stanced on a Jesko and all, but still, if you are wondering, yes, these do have axles, they do roll. And that's the front wheels. Here are the back wheels, so pretty much the same thing. I'm just gonna demonstrate later on. Once I've taken a closer look at the car, we will see what does the car look like with the spare wheel set. So let's actually take this Jesko that we have right here out of its base. Now the results of the Jesko are much more promising compared to the Tarmac Works, if you ask me personally. But to be fair, it's end of the day still diecast, and they both have equal amounts of details, just that maybe some lack here and there when it comes to either Tarmac or CM Model. Maybe CM Model has some downsides of it, maybe Tarmac Works have their own downsides of it. Depends pretty much on the casting. So here we have the wonderful looking CM Model Koenigsegg Jesko right here, just a regular Jesko, not the Jesko Attack or anything. So yeah, just a really nice looking Koenigsegg Jesko, a very great hypercar, not gonna lie. And yeah, if you look at the color right here, you do have this sort of metallic white sort of color, which is great. Love to see this. And yeah, you do have the details of the headlights and rear lights, of course, the disc brake details. Then you have the details of the intakes here and there, the logos, and also the ginormous wing at the back, which I cannot forget to mention, which we will talk about in detail yet again later on in the video. So yeah, this CM model Koenigsegg Jesko is quite a nice looking car. Many people love this car so much, including me personally. I really do like the Jesko myself, and it's a pretty much a nice hypercar to have in your collection, but not to have many of these, I would say. Maybe in a certified amount. Maybe if you're a fan of the Jesko, then go ahead, buy as many if you want. If you're not like a fan, maybe you like just regular hypercars, then I would say either buy one color or two colors of the same car. For example, this one in the future, if I'm not mistaken, CM model did announce they are releasing a maroon, I think, sort of like a dark red sort of Jesko, which yeah, I really cannot wait for that as well. Many people are also getting their hands on that as well, I guess. CM model overall, it looks pretty nice. And let's go take a closer look at the Koenigsegg Jesko. So it is the Koenigsegg Jesko right here. So we'll start off from the rims. Obviously, you do have your disc brakes and your calipers, which are colored in sort of like a green color. Yeah, so sort of like a green color. And then you have your 5-spoke rims, which a slight touch of I don't know, white or metallic, silver metallic or sort of color, which is cool, I guess. Very nice. So the side right here looks pretty nice. You do have your side intake right here, colored in black, and then you have your side skirt right there as well. You do have your blinkers, I guess, I don't know. Your side mirrors as well, which are plastic, by the way. Yeah, so plastic side mirrors right there. And then let's see, moving towards the front of the car. So we have the presence of the headlights right here, which are transparent and also lensed headlights right here. You have some intakes right here as well. You do have a green trim right here on the hood scoop, and then the Koenigsegg logo. On the front of the car, you do have your canards, as it creates more downforce, I guess. And then obviously you do have your extended front splitter, which is very nice, as well as the intakes right here at the bottom of the car, which looks lovely. So yeah, the presence of the canards are very nice. Great casting, if you ask me. So on the top right here, I did forget to mention on the hood, you do have this gray twin stripe moving from the hood scoop towards the back of the car, which is nice. On the roof there, pretty much simple. You do have the widened cockpit area for the passenger and also the driver itself. So yeah, it is left-hand drive, just if you're wondering. And then you do have your white bucket seats with, wait, are these bucket seats? I'm not entirely sure, but they are colored with in white with a touch of black as well in the seats. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it is in there. Pretty much really cool, if you ask me. Here is the other side. Yeah, pretty much a very nice looking Jesko right here. Overall, super duper nice. And then of course you do have your supports, which I forget to mention. Your supports right here at the back of the hypercar, so that it can support on this sort of almost floating spoiler right here, which is massive, and it's only supported on these two like beams, I guess. I don't know. Right here, colored in black, which are nice overall. M4, and yeah, overall it's super duper nice. Really great start, I guess. Yeah, and if you look at the back of the car, you do have your red colored rear lights right here. You do have the twin stripe that I said just now, the gray color stripes, and then you have your matte silver exhaust tip right here, I guess. Yeah, so twin exhaust tips which are colored in matte silver. You do have your Jesko license plate right here as well, and then you do have your diffusers right here at the bottom of the car. Also, I believe your brake lights, which are nice. Overall, super duper nice. And yeah, let's take a closer look at its base now. So yeah, it's a fully metal base except for the rim part. So yeah, black metal base right here. Koenigsegg Jesko attack. So the base states that it's an attack Jesko, isn't it? But I don't see like any indication of it being. Oh, okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue talking about the base first right here, and then you have CM model right here. So blacked out base, which is nice. How do I know whether it's an attack or not? First, I forgot to mention actually these beams right here. I didn't really realize they did come with this Koenigsegg logo, and then they are carbon fiber texture, which is nice. And yeah, I actually forgot to talk about the spoiler as well. So it's this curved shaped spoiler right here at the back, quite massive, and it is also in a carbon fiber sort of design. Now, how did I know this is an attack? You can actually see the Koenigsegg ghost symbol right there in the middle, just like when I reviewed the tarmac version. So it proves that this car is basically a Koenigsegg Jesko attack, based on the base right here that it registered as right here. So it's registered as a Koenigsegg Jesko attack, but it doesn't state whether it's an attack or not on the box of the car. So yeah, I wish they actually informed. Oh yeah, I actually want to show you the separate rim options. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to equip the other set of rims so that you guys can see how does it actually work and how does it actually look like. So here we have our Jesko, which is pretty much in these nice looking rims already. But what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pop out the rims just like that, not too hard, it's just a pull out rim set, and then you are able to place in the new set of rims. Hold on. And hold on. So did I place it the right side? I don't think so. Hold on. Might place it upside down. So yeah, I think this is much better. I'm not entirely sure. But there you go, look at that. Now we have the second set of rims right here, colored in with the details of the matte sort of silver trim right there on the car. With the rims like this, it looks very nice. Does it come with brake calipers? Yes, it does, yet again, of course. So yeah, it is looking pretty nice overall, if you ask me. Let's actually put on the turntable with these set of rims, and yeah, I guess put the other set of rims on the side of the car, just like so. So overall, even though I just knew it's a Koenigsegg Jesko attack, but it actually looks overall pretty much okay if you ask me. The design of the car is of course absolutely great overall. I did mention that in the Tarmac Works version, and yeah, compared to the Tarmac Works version, I guess CM model takes the cake by the slightest compared to Tarmac Works. I mean, not to say Tarmac didn't do a good job, they did, but it was lacking a bit of something which I cannot really describe. And another thing, like for example, the side mirrors on the Koenigsegg Jesko Attack for the Tarmac Works version had plastic side mirrors compared to this one. Sorry, not plastic side mirrors, but rubber side mirrors compared to this one, which has plastic side mirrors. So yeah, it's different amongst that, and I guess there are a bit few other details update basically for this car, or maybe some other cars. I believe they are producing the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute as well, which is a similar sort of Jesko, just that they got rid of the massive wings so that you can experience more drag, I guess. So it's pretty cool. And yeah, overall I really do much like the Koenigsegg Jesko made by CM model. Overall it is such a great car. Hopefully there will be several other colors in the future as well for this car. And yeah, I guess that's all. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to watch the unboxing of the Tarmac Works Koenigsegg Jesko Attack, go ahead and check it out in my Tarmac Works playlist. You can go and watch that video as well. If you've already watched this Jesko Attack made by CM model. And yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching.